It's Ashley and Brad on the radio. Here's part 2 of our IRS phone call. So once again, fake phone call, a robocall was left on your phone saying that you owed money to the IRS. There's a warrant for your arrest. There's a warrant.
Yeah, they're going to come and get me. And I mean, if you don't know better, I know I pay my taxes, and I have someone who does it for me. So my first call, if I were to actually get a legitimate call, which the IRS never calls you anyway, if I were to actually get anything, my first call would be to my tax preparer anyway, not to these people.
Let's find out what happens. We took the liberty of calling them, and it went a little something like this.
We call you to turn you attorney information that there are some legal allegations and a lawsuit is being filed against you by the Internal Revenue Service. So are you aware about the situation or not, ma'am?
Not.
We found that there is a numerical miscalculation on the taxes which you have not paid. For that reason, the local authorities will arrest warrant will come at your place. Your driver license will be cancelled, everything under your name, your property, your bank account, everything will be seized, and you will always face a federal imprisonment for up to 5 years. Now, ma'am, the total outstanding amount under your name that is $6,845, which includes your pending taxes, your legal charges, and your late fees. So at this time, ma'am, on this recordable line, I would like to ask you that, did you do this intentionally or was it by a mistake, ma'am?
So how do I fix it? Who do I make a check to?
I would like to transfer this line to your case in charge officer who's handling your case right now. So could you please be on hold for a moment, ma'am?
Hi, your call has been transferred to Sean from the accounting, and I believe that I'm speaking to Ashley.
Yeah, how do I fix this? Can I write a check to somebody or something?
Let me tell you. You want to fight or you want to resolve it?
I want to solve it.
If you want to settle it, this is not a simple payment where you can make the payment, where we can resolve this case, okay, miss?
Yeah, I want to solve it. I want to get out of this.
See, if you want to settle it, I want to ask you, how do you have this amount with you? Do you have this amount in a cash with you? Or how do you have it?
In a check. I can make a check.
If you want to take care, there is some condition which you have to follow, okay? The first condition is that we have to present this money in the courthouse today, okay? So, from the courthouse, we can dismiss the case. Today, you have to send this money to Attorney General, who is authorized to cancel this warrant. In order to send this money to Attorney General, what you have to do? You have to go to your bank.
Well, let me get my husband on the phone. I'm going to have you talk to my husband. Hold on.
Oh, yeah, brother. This is Randy Macho Man Savage. Who am I speaking to, brother?
What is your name?
My name is Randy Macho Man Savage. Who is this? Is this Shant?
You.
Hey, Shant, I'm coming to kick your brother.
What did you say?
I said I'm coming to kick your brother. This is America, and I'm coming to get you, brother.
I don't know what it is. It just seemed like Randy Macho Man would be the best person to solve this problem.
I didn't even know my husband was Randy Macho Man Savage. And isn't he dead?
Yeah, he's dead. Anyway, let's this be a word of caution to you. If you get something from the IRS, don't go down this road.
Yeah, seriously. Just, call a friend, call a trusted friend, or if you don't know who did your taxes for whatever reason, call a family member. Don't call these people back.
Yeah. It's Ashley and Brad on the radio. You're welcome.